Hey guys, I had a cardboard box, so I decided to make a quick and easy geometric wall hanging. I also had extra air dry clay that I wanted to use up, so I made funky candlestick holders. For the wall hanging, I sketched out my design using simple shapes. I made templates of the shapes and traced them onto cardboard. I cut them out using an X-Acto. I drew lines on each shape and painted them. I marked where the pieces overlap so that I know where to add glue. At first I used Mod Podge. Then switched to using hot glue. Add command strips to hang it or just place it on a shelf. And here's how it turned out. For the candlestick holders, I covered the bottom of my candles with foil. I added water to the clay to get a better consistency. I rolled up a piece of clay and wrapped it around the top to make a cleaner rim. Although the clay was still wet, I tried to remove the foil. I couldn't, but I managed to gather the foil at the top and keep it away from the rim. They still weren't completely dry, but I was able to twist and remove the foil. I probably needed to add something to thicken the liquid, but I did like the gloss that it had. And here's how they turned out.